Kelly and the Bills facing 3rd and 9. Holmes stays in as his running back.
The Bills ran the ball more than anyone last year, but came up 1 win short of making it back to the Super Bowl, where they had previously lost 4 straight. Of course, the irony of losing 4 straight Super Bowls is getting labeled a loser in spite of all the winning it takes to get there. But even now for Buffalo, the challenge remains the same, to get better as it gets older. Barring injury, Buffalo may use as many as 8 players over 30. The oldest, of course, Jim Kelly, who at 36 demands so much respect. His demand for a new contract at the end of this season was met by owner Ralph Wilson.
You know, I trust Ralph. He's been almost like a family member to me, not only to myself, but my whole family. So handshake to me is good enough.
And having re-signed Andre Reed and acquired Quinn Early from the Saints, Kelly's receivers look good enough as well.
Got a lot of guys who've been around. They know what it takes to win. And they've added some guys, you know, some rookies, some veteran free agents. And I think we're going to have a good team this year.
One of those rookies is Eric Moulds, a #1 draft pick whose mature approach mixes well with Marv Levy's veteran lineup.
He's a rookie that has a lot to learn. He knows he does, and sometimes that is a tremendous asset. There's some rookies that don't know what they don't know.
But what those in the know like best about Buffalo is its defense, anchored by Bryce Paup, the NFL Defensive Player of the Year.
Well, I would think so. Got a good, you know, Bruce Smith plays a run just as well as he plays a pass, and a lot of people forget about that. And we got Phil Hansen, Ted in the middle, you know, and we got Jeff Coat to rush the passer, and Phil Hansen's good at rushing the passer, so, and we got good DBs, so, you know, pretty much we've got the whole package.
But an aging package, and one getting older by the minute. Rob Sinclair for Sportsline.